So Architect Chidi here again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. So this is another renovation project that we did in Newi, Anambra State. At this point, I did not start the video on time. I did not have the video where we are removing the roof, but this is the process. We removed the roof. We added extra two blocks so that the roof will be able to the headrooms will be able to come up much higher, because initially you see we added two blocks to it. And we are working on the front pillars. Like you already see, the front pillars are normal circular columns, which are not even straight. From the video, they are not straight, so we are going to be converting them to square pillars. So this is the point where we already started. At this point, we have already finished adding two blocks to the lintels to give it more height. So the place where the paint stopped is initial place where the height of the headroom was, until we added extra two blocks to help to bring up the headrooms. As you can see from the video, you know that it's much higher than it's much higher than it is initially. So in this video, I'm trying to show you around the house. This is an old house, so just looking at the rooms, the sizes of the rooms, you know that the rooms are very much big enough to, even if you want to do remodeling. And you see the bedroom is normal, almost one room, the size of one room that most people would just want you to design now. So initially we planned on just roofing the house first. We are still going to go back to this project sometime later to change the doors. So it's stage by stage. The doors is a voided area, very big voided area. You can see the step to the up. So we are doing this, and we are very fast, because we started this project around November. It was around November last year, October, November. I guess I can't remember precisely, but it was still raining once in a while those periods. So we were running so that rain will not catch us. Imagine when rain catch us in this kind of structure. The owner of the house came back from US, and he was around for us to do this project. He was totally around, so we have just 1 month and few days to add the block, roof the house, and do some few changes to the house. You understand? It's not total renovation. It was practically the roof was leaking water, and we decided to change the roof, change the height, and also change the front. You see the block work. Can you see? Very neat, very accurate, very straight. Because initially what we have there was circular pillar. We have to cover them up, straight up. See how straight these things are. See how straight these things are. We give the best when it comes to all this kind of projects. So see the house straight. But I found the initial picture of the house and sent to us over here. But initially the house was very down. The roof was very down. So we have to.
When it comes to construction,
so
one of the things you have to pay attention to is detailing.
Work, but I don't
especially
have
from your foundations.
I don't know what
you have to use
I was thinking.
your DPM
of our
Yeah, that's
finished work
damp-proof membrane.
or our finished
One of the
roofing.
effects of not
But
using
for this
those
video I'm
damp-proof
doing,
membrane
you
is
can see
that
the pillars.
after a couple of
See the
years, you
pillars.
find out that your house
This
is
is the pillars of that same house.
your wall is
Pillars of that
experiencing
same house.
dampness.
We have already finished
So that
roofing.
dampness
We
is
did
what
not
you can
add
avoid
parapet.
if you use DPM.
Everything is
Some of the
dependent
materials we
on
used to do
what the
DPM,
client wants. We did not add parapet.
the
We
cellophane
calculated the
nylon,
parapet because the house was
polythene
big.
nylon.
The parapet
You
was
can
almost coming
first
to
lay it as
4
a
million.
bedrock before your casting.
And
Or
we
if you
decided,
forgot
no,
why
I
casting,
don't want
you can
parapet.
still use it
So
before
we
you
have
lay
to
your block.
plaster
You
the
place it
whole
before your
pillars,
block.
plaster the
One of the
block
things
work we added from the
it
picture you
helps
can
to do
see,
is that it
and
reduces
we have to
the
close
capillary
up
actions
the house.
in
So if you need any of
your
your
walls,
projects
so
for us
that your
to do
walls
for
will
you,
not start
renovation,
getting
drawings, new
soaked
projects,
or start
please
getting
what you have to do is to contact us
start pulling up the
with the
paint.
number in the
So
description
you have
box,
to pay
and we'll
attention to that
deliver
detail so
your
that it will not
projects
happen to
to
your
you.
client,
And we are
or it will not happen
trusted,
to your
we are
house,
reliable,
or it will not happen
and we
to
are
your
the best
project.
you can lay your hands on.
Peace out.
New projects, renovation, any type of project, your drawings, contact us.